Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is titled How to Get Shredded. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. So I'm going to be talking about that on today's video, and I'm also going to show you what I recently ate in a day. So if you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. I've been eating a plant-based diet for over 12 years, and I've also been intermittent fasting for many years as well. So on this day, I started off my first meal at 1 p.m. with a big bowl of watermelon. So I typically fast throughout the morning. I drink water throughout the morning. I do a fasted workout at 11 a.m. And I'm alternating generally between strength training and running, working out around 5 times a week with a couple of days off. And I like to start off my first meal always with either a high water content fruit or a smoothie. So today was a watermelon, and they're super delicious right now, getting these yummy watermelons, so it's a good way to start it out. Now, it's important to keep in mind that if you're trying to live a healthier lifestyle, that consistency is more important than perfection. So I don't worry about perfection. I eat some bad things here and there, but I find that when I'm dialed into a routine, it's about just being consistent with what I do 90% of the time and not worry about being perfect. So, for example, I like to fast throughout the morning. I do my workouts fasted, and I just find that to work really well. I've gotten used to that, and I've gotten in that routine. And then I stop eating around 3 hours before I go to bed. So I try to stop eating around 7 p.m., 8 p.m. That way I have some time to digest food before I go to bed so I can rest and recover during sleep rather than be digesting food. So I think that's really important. Don't eat too close to when you're going to bed. And also, no matter what type of diet you eat, start off with some water-rich fruit or a smoothie to have as your first meal. I think that's important. Now, my second meal was a smoothie, and this was at around 3 p.m., and it had a couple of dates. It had about a cup and a half of frozen blueberries. It had a packet of acai, and it had a scoop of peanut butter. This is some good peanut butter. It's just one ingredient, organic peanuts. And I had 5 frozen ripe bananas. Now, the way I do my bananas usually is I freeze them with the peel on once they're nice and ripe. Then I soak them in a tub of hot water for about 4 minutes, and they come right out the peel. And it has a really good consistency, so that's why I do it the way that I do it. Or you can peel the bananas first and then just blend them up without the peel on. But I like to do them with the peel and then slip them out the peel. It had 1 cup of almond milk, and it had 1 cup of coconut water as well. So this was a super delicious smoothie. It made probably about 1.5 liters, and take my time eating that, blended it up in the Vitamix, and there it is. Then my third meal of the day I had at 7 p.m. I started off with a big salad. It had mixed greens. It had cucumber, apple, tomato, carrots, and avocado. And then just after the green salad, I had some Japanese tofu curry. It had tofu, some different vegetables in it. And I had that over a big bed of rice, had a couple of bowls of that, and then I had a little bit of dark chocolate for dessert. So that was it for the day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the video. I have some delicious recipes for you guys. Make sure you leave me a comment, subscribe for more videos, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll be back in touch soon. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.